Djent is not a genre, it's a lifestyle. Yes, you heard it here first. Djent is not a genre, it's a lifestyle. And apparently it's a pale white dot as well. I think by now you might have guessed where this is going. Yes, we are finally reacting after 2 weeks of waiting because I was basically not in the country, so I had a bit of time off. And yeah, Periphery is back. I'm freaking excited to check out Mr.God, what this is all about. I tried as best as possible to avoid social media and all those things, to not get spoiled in any way. To be fair, I just heard it's freaking heavy and it's low-tuned AF, okay? So, and a new record is coming. I mean, how great is that? I'm a big Periphery fan. I'm still convinced that P3 is at least my favorite record so far. I really like the last one, P5 with Djent is not a genre. So yeah, excited to say the least to finally be checking out Mr.God. And I think we are not losing any time here. The only thing, I think the song is very short. So a perfect live song, basically. Let's check out where this is going. Periphery, Mr.God. They weren't lying with the heavy and the low. Spencer, dear. Ooh. Yes. Ooh. Very straightforward, but very much Periphery. I've never seen Jake play something other than Ibanez. This is a first for me. That's a freaking beautiful Surfcaster Jackson there. 2 actually. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, damn. That's freaking intense. Really? This is below 3 minutes. You can't just leave me here like that. Well, they drop in with the hot stuff, straight up. I mean, this, I really hope so, even though I really like the long songs and everything, but this is definitely written as a live song, for sure. This will break stuff. People will die to this breakdown, for sure. Wow, I'm freaking excited to hear a Pale White Dot. I just heard like a small reel where Misha talked about the record. Not too much in detail though, but the intention was definitely to also write shorter songs, to basically play more songs live. This is exactly what I need. This is heavy EF. It's very straightforward. It's not too complex, even though like structure-wise it's a bit like obviously very proggy, very djenty, but very straightforward. And yeah, 2 new guitars, maybe 3. I'm not sure about the PRS. Maybe Mark has a new PRS. It looked more like a baritone. I could be wrong here. So yeah, everything new, I guess. And Jake playing a Jackson. I mean, that's a first for me. Damn, what a great song. I really look forward for the record, and I'm sure many of you will too. And we will definitely be back, yeah, soon, hopefully, to check out some more reactions. Even though it's a bit quieter nowadays with reaction videos, I really want to pick out really those specific cases, either bands I haven't done before. And yes, shame on me, I haven't done Periphery, because basically I was not doing reaction videos back then when P5 came out with Wildfire and stuff. But hey, we are here today now, and let's see where this new wave of Periphery is going. I'm excited, and yeah, until next time, I guess we see each other very soon. Like and subscribe. Until then.